Welcome to this Canva tutorial where I'll show you how to place a picture inside a shape, which we'll refer to as frames. Let's use this picture as an example. Drag the image onto the page. Now, we need a frame to put the image into. Go to the elements and search frames. In Canva, frames are shapes specifically designed to hold images. For example, if you want to place the picture in a circular frame, drag a circle shape onto the canvas. Next, select the picture and drag it into the frame. Simply click and drag the corners to resize the frame. You can also double-click the image, adjust the size of the image within the frame, and crop it as needed. Remember, you can still edit the image properties even when it's inside the frame. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.